TikTok says rice work, but I say you slowly killed your own phone. Why I'm making this video now? I've seen this video online with about 40 million views, proving that when your phone falls in water, you can put it inside rice to save your phone. Now, I would say you slowly killed your own phone. Only that because I was working on this, then that something happened, so I stopped and decided to make this video. Look at this. I received a bowl of rice. I thought somebody came to give me rice for a good job I've done. Not until I saw this inside the phone. Okay, that's an iPhone XR inside of rice. What happened? This guy, he stays just right here close to my shop, and then his phone fell in water. Instead of him to bring the phone to the shop, no, he took an advice from a friend who says he should put the phone inside of rice, and then they left the phone in a bowl of rice since morning, and then I'm bringing it to me this evening. Okay, this could supposed to have been maybe an $80 fix. Now it's going to be like $300 fix because of rice. So he slowly killed his own phone. Now what I want you to know is rice does not reduces the damages your phone is actually going to receive when it falls inside of water. No, it doesn't reduces the damages. It rather increases it, grinding them together because the battery terminal is still plugged onto the board. So the rice will be bridging and then grinding the board, killing your board slowly. So you think you're saving your phone, but rather you're killing it. Never ever put your phone in rice whenever it falls in water. It doesn't work. You are actually killing your own phone. You are buying mic time for corrosion to happen inside of the phone. Rice can absorb like, let me say, 1% of what the water inside the phone, and I'm not sure that's why you need everything 100% of the water in your phone out. So when you put the rice in, put your phone inside rice, what happened is the rice is only absorbing the water on the body of the phone. It can't go inside the board and then absorb what is in the board. So you are killing the board. For example, the first thing for you to do when your phone falls inside of water is, if the phone is still on, try your possible best and power the phone off. Okay, power the phone off and then look for a professional. Take the phone to a shop. Okay, take the phone to a shop for them to open the phone, clean it, make sure they dry everything from the phone. You turn the phone off first. If you have a blower, a hair blower around, you can use it to blow the top speaker, the charging system side, and just some little thing. Just make sure you warm up the body of the phone and then quickly look for a technician to repair the phone, open the phone and give you a clean repair. Right, that will save your phone right water. And you can see right here, can you see what is here? That is rice eating inside the phone. You put your phone inside the rice and the rice get inside the charging system, get inside the top speaker, and now you need to fix charging system plus speakers and a lot of unnecessary bills. Rice does not save your phone from falling inside of water. Now there are a lot of videos like this on the internet. I've seen something like microwave charging, deep freezer repairing your battery. It doesn't work. If you want me to do a video on microwave charging and also the deep freezer fixing of your battery, then just comment A down there. Great. This is Majesty Computers. Like the video, subscribe and comment below if you. Thank you. Subscribe to the channel.